Today, I'm taking you through a detailed review of Trupanion pet insurance based on both research and real user experience. When you first land on the Trupanion website, you're greeted with a clean and modern interface that immediately highlights its main selling point: simple and comprehensive pet insurance focused on covering unexpected illnesses and injuries. Right from the homepage, you can enter your pet's details like breed, age, and location to receive a personalized quote. The process is straightforward, but depending on your pet's profile, the prices can feel a little steep compared to some competitors. Navigating deeper, Trupanion emphasizes that it covers 90% of eligible veterinary costs, which sounds impressive. However, the fine print is where many pet owners start to feel cautious. Preventative care, such as vaccines, dental cleanings, and wellness visits, are not included. The focus is strictly on unexpected accidents and illnesses. While this does provide peace of mind for major medical events, it may leave some gaps for routine care that other providers bundle in. The claims process is one of Trupanion's strongest points. Unlike many insurers that require you to pay upfront and wait for reimbursement, Trupanion has a direct pay option at participating veterinary clinics. This feature can be a lifesaver if you face an emergency bill of thousands of dollars. On the downside, this direct pay service isn't available everywhere, so depending on your location, you might still need to pay up front. Another important area is waiting periods. Trupanion enforces a 30-day waiting period for illnesses and a 5-day waiting period for injuries. Pre-existing conditions are excluded entirely, which is standard across the industry, but still frustrating for pet owners who adopt older pets or those with prior health issues. Many useful links you can find in the description. The website also makes it very easy to access policy documents and exclusions, which is helpful because pet insurance terms can be confusing. Trupanion tries to be transparent, but some users report that they only discovered certain exclusions after submitting claims. For example, conditions considered hereditary or congenital can sometimes lead to denied claims depending on when symptoms first appeared. From a pricing perspective, Trupanion is usually on the higher end. Monthly premiums can be significantly more expensive than some competitors, especially for popular breeds prone to health issues. However, supporters argue that the higher cost is justified by the comprehensive coverage and reliable claim payments. Critics, on the other hand, feel that the limited coverage for preventative care makes the price hard to justify for the average pet owner. Customer service is another aspect worth mentioning. Many users praise Trupanion's support team for being responsive and helpful, especially when it comes to explaining claims decisions. Others report inconsistent experiences, with some representatives providing better clarity than others. Like most insurance companies, satisfaction seems to vary widely depending on the individual case and the type of claim submitted. In terms of overall usability, the Trupanion website is intuitive, mobile-friendly, and designed to make getting a quote fast. Policy information is presented clearly, though again, it's important to read every detail before committing. Trupanion appeals to pet owners who prioritize major medical coverage and want the reassurance that big expenses will be mostly covered. But it may not be the best choice for those looking for all-around wellness coverage at an affordable price. So, is Trupanion worth it? If you're primarily concerned with protecting yourself against large, unexpected vet bills and you want the option of direct payment to vets, it can be a strong choice. But if you're hoping for a more well-rounded plan that includes routine care, you may want to compare it with other providers before making a decision. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you don't miss more honest reviews and insights.